It's up to you.
Your fish ride is now beginning. Please remain seated and enjoy your swimming.
Hang on tight! Hang on tight! 'Cause here we go! Now you can fly low or high, anywhere. Give it a try. But beware, for down below, there are creatures there who will soak you head to toe. Now hear this, all fish and fly. Follow me, and you'll stay dry. One fish, red fish, up, up. Two fish, blue fish, down, down, down. One fish, red fish, up, up, up. Two fish, blue fish, down, down, down. That was good, but now I say, climb up or down the other way. Two fish, blue fish, up, up, up. One fish, red fish, down, down, down. Two fish, blue fish, up, up, up. One fish, red fish, down, down, down. That was great. Now it's light it up a little wet. The choice is yours, fly high or low. Just pick one, you never know. Just pick one, you never know. And now our flying is nearly done. We've had some laughs and shared some fun. If you had fun, do as I tell. Take a big breath and yell! Yell! Come on! Yell!
Was that fun? Yeah. You got Daddy a little wet.
Please remain
Was that fun?
seated until your
Okay, good.
swimming ends.
Once again, please remain fully seated until you have heard the exit spiel. Fish are still moving. Remain seated.
Now unbuckle your belt and exit your seat. Don't run, skip, hop, or jump. Just walk on your feet.
I got wet on the last one.
Yeah, so did I.